This calendar is used for finding the date between 1st January 1901 to 31st December 2100. This calendar is mainly divided in 5 parts. In that first part one is code having 0 to 6. In second part we arrange dates. In third part we arranging months, all months arranged, and in fourth part, that is in year, we arrange just 28 years. Still this calendar is working for 200 years. And lastly, fifth part we arrange day. Now we look how this calendar is used. Using this calendar we can find date between 200 years. So first there is some non-leap years, leap years, and some years which are divisible by 28. There are some rules. First we have to see the rules for normal years. That means for non-leap years. What is the rule? Rule is date code plus month code plus year code. Suppose we have to find date 26 January 1957. Now we use this calendar and find what is the day on 26 January 1957. First we have to find date code. So the date code is here in date circle we find 26 date. For 26 there is code 4. So the date code is 4 plus. Now we have to find month code. Month code for January. For January the month code is 0. Date code 4, month code 0. And for year code from 1900 there are 57 years complete. 57 divided by 28. 28 to the 56. 57 minus 56. Remainder is 1. So that remainder 1 we look in year circle. Here is 1. And for 1 having code 0. So our year code is 0. Addition of all these, date code plus month code plus year code, 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. Now we looking code 4 and 4 code having Saturday. So the 26 January 1957 there is a Saturday. This rule is applicable for normal years, that means non-leap years. Now for leap years where another rules. For leap years in leap years for January and February we use for leap year as normal years. For month January and February as per normal years. Leap year means a year containing 366 days. That means that year having 29th February. For January and February we use this calendar as a normal years. Except January and February means for March to December. For March to December. Now for March to December and having leap year, then another rule, that is date code plus month code plus year code plus 1. This rule is for March to December and for leap year. What is the rule? Date code plus month code plus year code plus 1. Plus 1. Now we find date on 15th August 1988. How to find 88 is leap year? Because 88 is divisible by 4. The year which is divisible by 4 is called as leap years. First we have to find date code. For 15 date, date code is 0. So our date code is 0. Now we want to find month code for August. For August, the month code is 2. So the month code is 2. Now for 1988 means 88 years complete. We divide 88 by 28. 28 3s are 84. 88 minus 84, there are 4 remainders. And that 4 remainder we find in year circle. Here is 4 and having code is 3. Date code plus month code plus year code plus 1. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and the code 6 having Monday. So the 15th August 1988 there is a Monday. Now previous I tell you this calendar is for normal years, that means non-leap years, leap years. Also there are some years which is divisible by 28. For that there is a one rule. Years divisible by 28. First rule is for the month of January and February. For the month of January and February, there is a rule, that is date code plus month code minus 2. Date code plus month code minus 2. Date code plus month code minus 2. The year which is divisible by 28, at that time 28 divided by 28, remainder is 0, and here in our year circle we start from 1, there is no 0. That's why years divisible by 28, not find year code, we just find date code and month code minus 2. For that we find what is the day on 2nd February 1956. 1956 is a leap year, but that year is divisible by 28. So first find for date 2 date having code 1. Now we find month code for February month. February having code 3. 1 plus 3 minus 2. Our rule is date code plus month code minus 2. So the 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 code having Thursday. So 2nd February 1956 is a Thursday. Again, this rule is applicable for January and February months, except January and February. That means for the month there is now formula change. That formula is date code plus month code minus 1. Date code plus month code minus 1. Suppose 25th December 1984. Now we have to find what is the day on 25th December 1984. We just find date code, then month code, and sum of date code and month code we subtract 1. Now we have to find date code for 25th date. 25th date, there is date code 3. So 3 plus. Now month December. For month December, we find code December having code 5th 5. 3 plus 5 minus 1. What is 3 plus 5? 8. 8 minus 1? 7. Here is we get 8 minus 1 7. But in our calendar there is maximum code number is 6. Here is 7. When the sum is date code plus month code and year code is 7 or more than 7, at that time you have to subtract 7. So 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. Why we subtract 7? Because we know after 7 days, same day is repeat. That's why 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the day for code 0. Code 0 is a Tuesday. That's why on 25th December 1984 there is Tuesday. Thanks for watching.